So what's going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to easily blur moving objects in Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. But before I start, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some questions, if you have some problems, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And yeah, let's move on point. How? So first, choose some random video. I choose this man who is crying here, and let's blur his face. So now, yeah, in effects, just search for fast blur, this effect here, drag it and put it in your video. And now, as you can see here in effect controls, here appears our effect fast blur. So now let's select this circle here, let's move it to his face and let's customize it. Let's change it a bit like this, and yeah, when you're done with the circle, now just select here blurriness and make it 40. I think is enough. This look cool. And now, as you can see, when we play the video, we have that blur on his face, but it's not actually on his face. It's not moving. So how to make to move? Just select on the starter point, and now click here on this play button here. Wait a few seconds till you want this effect to stop. And now when we play the video, as you can see, our blur effect is moving. And that was it. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and as I said, if you have some questions, if you have some problems, comment down below the video. And as you saw, it was a quick tutorial, so you don't have to worry about it. And yeah, see you next video. Bye.